This is the LG Optimus G Pro, brought to you by Repairers Universe. To perform this repair, we suggest using a safe open pry tool, a small Phillips screwdriver, and for touchscreen repairs and touchscreen assembly repairs, we suggest using fresh adhesive. To begin the repair, you will need to remove the back battery cover. Once that is done, you can remove the battery, SIM card, and memory card. We will now need to use a small Phillips screwdriver to remove 14 screws holding the back housing to the rest of the device. Once all the screws are removed, we can now use a safe open pry tool to begin prying along the outside edges of the back housing, right in this seam right here. This will allow us to remove the back housing from the frame. We suggest starting somewhere near the top here, and just gently pushing your pry tool inside the small little seam, releasing some of the clips. You want to be careful, as the buttons are loose at this point and will fall out. Once majority of clips are released, you can then easily pull off the back housing. We're just going to set these buttons to the side until reassembly. Now that the motherboard is fully exposed, we have 5 pop connectors to release, as well as this camera from its socket. All 5 connectors are simple pop connections, where you can use a safe open pry tool to gently lift up and release it from the motherboard. With these connections now released, we're now going to remove the motherboard. Be very careful to make sure there's no connections still connected to the motherboard. We're going to gently lift up, starting with this bottom left hand side. We want to be careful, as the main spot to watch out for is on the right side, this very thin part of the motherboard, as there's a clip right there. You're going to want to gently lift up the board and shimmy it to the right. Once you get around the clip, the motherboard should come out very easily, and you set that aside until reassembly.